Top 10 Programmatic Advertising Trends for 2020 and Beyond. AI-based programmatic advertising has captured the attention of advertisers significantly over the last 2 years. A 2018 Deloitte survey of over 1,100 US executives from early adopters of AI reported that 82% of them saw a positive return on investment for their AI initiatives. This indicates the increasing faith in AI in programmatic advertising, which will strengthen further over the next year. GDPR ultimately proves to be advertisers' friend, not foe. After the announcement of General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe last year, what looked like a setback to advertisers is gradually turning out to be beneficial. The regulations around seeking consent and protecting the privacy of user data initially looked limiting to ad tech experts, but is resulting in cleaner and more reliable data over time. First-party data, which is also the cleanest and most reliable source for a marketer, has become more important, and hence brands now have the onus of directly and transparently communicating with customers on how beneficial or safe it is for them to share their details. While high-quality publishers or already trusted brands may not face too many challenges with this, newer brands will need to push harder for establishing trust with the customers. 3. Digital out-of-home, DOOH, combined with mobile location data. While out-of-home advertising is one of the oldest and most traditional advertising channels, its digital avatar or digital, OOH, or DOOH, combined with mobile location data has the potential to redefine how marketers can address the crucial last mile between home and store, or online and offline. Mastering this promises a direct impact on the speed and scale of conversions when it comes to closing the loop between advertising and buying. While DOOH itself lends well to the programmatic buying model, both in terms of efficiency and scale, the real trends to watch in the space for 2020 are: integrated home-to-out-of-home programmatic advertising approach, which will deliver a more seamless experience for customers. Integration between DO and the use of mobile locational data to drive conversions in the offline world. As it gets more measurable with first-party and third-party data from companies, for media buyers, programmatic DO is one good-for-all medium that will deliver both brand, experiential, and performance marketing. 4. Voice-activated ads go beyond in-home smart devices. Adoption of voice-based, in-home smart devices has been on the rise. Last year, Amazon reported that it had sold over 100 million Alexa-enabled devices and that customers spoke to Alexa tens of billions more times in 2018 compared to 2017. A few years ago, Gartner predicted that by 2020, 30% of web browsing sessions will be done without a screen, through voice-first browsing. Isn't it turning out to be true? We often ask our voice assistants to help us with a specific product we want to purchase, and listen to it list out relevant products or platforms from where we can buy what we want. A recent survey by VoiceBot AI revealed that 25% of respondents say everyday household items are the most ordered through voice assistants, followed by apparel and then entertainment and games. The survey was conducted on 1,203 US consumers. 6. 5G will catalyze all programmatic advertising. The high-speed and no-lag buffering will encourage a significant rise in time spent on videos on all mobile devices. This in turn will be another strong reason for advertisers to deliver more high-resolution, 4K ads to their target audience. By 2024, the adoption of 5G-based ad tech is predicted to grow to 1.4 billion. This means ample scope for programmatic advertising to be able to run sharper, more interactive ads across mediums, without any lags. Millennials and Gen Z, two of the biggest buyer demographics, love all things customized. However, in contrast to their predecessors, Gen Z has a completely different set of considerations for making buying decisions. For example, Mindshare, a media agency, developed a retargeting campaign in their Indonesia subsidiary using dynamic creative optimization technology for AirAsia. Through this, the programmatic team dynamically served over 5,500 ad versions based on the last destination travelers searched for on the site, saving around 276 days of production time for the airline. Increased transparency in programmatic advertising is the only way to tackle these frauds. This is where blockchain and Ads.txt, an interactive advertising bureau initiative, authorized digital sellers, help. BL-AdTech, blockchain plus AdTech, is based on the principle of decentralization. Blockchain in programmatic AdTech has been able to tackle ad fraud by helping cut down the number of unnecessary middlemen, removing domain spoofing, verifying the legitimacy of publishers and allowing transactions using cryptocurrencies. 9. Programmatic TV, podcasts and audio programmatic are all set to grow. As the shift is still underway from the traditional connected TV, CTV, to OTT, programmatic advertising has a big role in ensuring marketers get the best out of both. Besides, with video content being consumed across web, mobile and other connected devices, programmatic TV is going to gain more prominence with its data-driven approach for buying and delivering ads. Programmatic in podcast and audio advertising is also growing significantly. The 2019 annual podcast revenue report by IAB and PwC shows increasing growth in the U.S. podcast advertising marketplace. The 2019 report reveals marketers spent $479 million to advertise on podcasts in the U.S., and up to $1 billion in 2017. 10. Omnichannel or integrated programmatic is the way to go.